Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have issue 19 of Build the Fast and the Furious Dodge Chargerati. Okay, so issue 19, if you do subscribe for the newsagents, this will be out for you today. I am building along with views and trying to keep in time with views from now on. So yeah, what we're doing in this one is we're doing basically a carbon copy of what we did in the last one, stage 18, but we also get to connect it to the car. So these are the parts we get here. And when you open the packet, make sure you do take out these two bits of screws. These were loose in the packet, so make sure you don't throw them away. And we do have some more screws in there as well. So as you can see, the parts are very similar to what we got in the last one. So what we're doing with this one then. So as we flick through the magazine. So as you can see, we've got quite a bit to do. So we're going to be making up these exhaust pipes, exactly what we did last time, just adding them on. Some AP screws to add all them on, get them all just like that, and being careful not to force them in and break them this time so I don't have to glue them. That's getting attached to the engine just down there, and then we'll be attaching the actual engine block to the front of the chassis that we had. So that's going to go down onto there. Then we can make sure the back goes in here. 2 AM screws at the front just there, and 2 screws underneath just there, and an AM screw underneath just there. And that is what we should have by the end of this video. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty carbon copy of the last issue, making up all the exhaust pipes and everything. This time we're doing it for the right hand side, and then we get to attach it to the actual chassis itself. So if you're building this for the newsagent, as I said, this one is out today. If you want to subscribe for this for yourself, links will be down in the description for fanhome, and you can go along and subscribe and get a monthly subscription from them. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so just like we did in the last video, we're going to start off with this part here. So we want the peg to be at the front, and we're going to start with the smallest parts coming from this side and working down towards the peg. So let's get started doing that now. So I'm going to speed this bit up because you've already seen me do it last time. We're just going to be putting each one of these on with AP screws. Okay, so I'm going to try and get all 4 of them this time. Last time I just tried to do the top 2 and the bottom 2. So I'm just going to push them all in together, which is a lot easier than pushing them all in one by one. So let's make sure they all go in nice, which they have. Now I can go along and just tighten all these up. So I did that a little out of sequence. Now we can put this part on the front, and again another AP screw down the back, just down there, just down the hole. Let's get our AP screw straight down the hole. We want that facing up the way, just like that. And we can tighten all that up. There we are. That's what you should have so far. Went a lot easier than the last time. Okay, so now we need to bring over our engine part. As you can see, we've already got that side on there, so we need to do exactly the same. We're going to be adding this down onto here, so that's going just there, just like that. And then again, 3 CM screws to secure that down. So we get the center one in first. This engine is got some amazing detail on it. So even if you just wanted to build the engine, the engine will make a great display piece, let alone all of the car. That last one now. There we are. Take a look at that. Look at that. Right, so now we need to bring up the forward part of the chassis, which is this part here. We're going to be lowering this down into the front just there, so this part at the back can get pegged into there. You can put a couple of AMs in the front first. Let's get them in. So this is going straight down into there. That's the first one. Second one directly opposite that one. Got to put 2 more AM screws just at the sides just here. There's a little hole just there, and on this side just here we're going to be putting them on. So that's 2 of them. So let's go down into here. One on the opposite side. Nice and tight, just like that. And we can turn this over, because on the back of here, we're going down into there, we're going to put another AM screw down in this hole just here in the center. So let's just pull that from the back side and screw that all the way down. And with that, that is this issue complete. Have a look at that. That is looking really, really good so far. Really happy with that. There you are, guys. That is issue 19 all complete. And have a look at that. That is growing quite fast, actually. So I'm going to need to find somewhere to start displaying this like I've got with these 2 cars and everything. I'm going to need to try and find somewhere to start displaying these cars. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.